Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of this legend. The iQOO 15 Ultra and iQOO has just launched its most high-end smartphone ever. You guys are gonna go crazy over this device, man. It's got an amazing design and is an incredible machine. But of course, not everything is perfect. It's just the price of this device. iQOO really went overboard here. Honestly, they went way too far. It's extremely expensive, competing in terms of price with the top flagship models on the market. iQOO, which has always been known for offering much more competitive prices, better prices, excellent value for money, this time they really didn't hold back on the price, and it's honestly very high. For those in Europe wanting a device like this, I'll share the Trading Shenzhen link, the same store where I bought mine and got fast delivery with no extra fees. Alright folks from Brazil, for now, unfortunately there won't be any purchase link, but you can take part in this monster here. Check this out. 24GB of RAM with 1TB of storage, 24GB, so physical, okay? You have up to 48 virtual, but 24 physical. This is insane. And the best part is also the price of the shares. That's right, 5 cents for each number. Grab the link too, which I'll leave for you here in the video description. I almost forgot. The winner pays nothing extra for home delivery. I cover all shipping and fees. So let's do this. Please leave a like. It's important. Check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it as usual to help us out too. Now let's get to our unboxing with the initial review and first impressions of this beauty, this beast, the YK15 Ultra. Let's go to the video, let's do it. Starting the unboxing, a black box, the standard from iQOO with the name iQOO highlighted and on the side label. We have the product version here. Remember, this smartphone was only released in the Chinese version. It doesn't have Brazilian Portuguese, only European Portuguese. But you'll be able to use it just fine. You won't have any trouble using it day to day. It's all good. And as for Google services, I'll already send it with the Play Store installed, but that's easy too. Everything works 100% with no restrictions at all. When you open the box, you immediately see the smartphone. And underneath it, there's a white silicone case and a quick start guide. Next, there's a charging and data transfer cable, USB Type-C on both ends, and a SIM ejector tool. And to finish, we have a 100-watt flash charge charger, really awesome. And now, with the device already in my hand, fully set up, we have a 6.85-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode screen with a 144Hz refresh rate over 1 billion colors, high dynamic range, vivid, high dynamic range, 10 and a peak brightness of 8,000 nits. Guys, I've never seen such a bright screen in my life. It's unreal. It has a really good feel, weighing 227 grams with 8.7 millimeters of thickness, and this silver color with the back looking like a honeycomb looks beautiful, man. Really awesome. Hidden below the camera module, we have the air intake for its fan. Look at that, man. It's very discreet and really good looking. For sure, the device is really awesome. It deserves that beautiful slap on the back. On the right side, there's the power button, volume up and down, and the L and R touch buttons. On the top, there's an infrared sensor and microphone, noise reducer, and on the left side, the sound output and the huge air outlet for the fan. And on the bottom, there's a dual nano SIM tray, 5G card microphone, USB Type-C connection, and stereo sound output. The artificial intelligence that comes installed on it is Blue AI, which also includes Blue AI Copilot, your virtual assistant. Everything is in Chinese there, so it's complicated for you to understand, and although there are other functions, it's still difficult since it's all in Chinese. So I advise you to install another artificial intelligence. It could be ChatGPT, it could be Gemini, it could be Grok, it could be whatever you want to help you with your daily tasks, okay? And of course, it already has those photo editing features native to the device, like erasing objects and removing people, working wonderfully well. As for the battery, my friend, we have here 7,400 mAh of silicon carbon, which is insane. I've never seen anything like it in my life. It achieved. Guys, check this out. 23 hours in the test. The PC Mark I is with the screen on, the screen lit up there, 23 hours. This will easily give you 2 days of battery life for your use, normal use, even heavier, more intense use. You'll have 2 days with the device without any worries, without needing to recharge it. And if you do need to recharge, it supports charging with the 100-watt charger that comes in the box and wireless charging at 40 watts, which is also really good. Now guys, pay attention. Let's go processor test. Another crazy thing, this device has the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 3 nanometers, scoring no less than 4,275 points on AnTuTu, a top world score. reaching a maximum temperature of 39.8 degrees. It didn't go over 40 degrees. I've never seen this before, especially with a top world processor. This is the first time. And another unprecedented thing, it lost 0% battery. It did the whole test and didn't lose even 1% of battery. This is insane. It's just too crazy. I've never seen it. I'll say it again. I've never seen anything like it, and that's why I put it in the video title. They did the impossible. Really, man, it's something unimaginable. Let's play some footage now of playing Cosmobile with it. You can see the graphics settings there. Everything is set to maximum. Running really smoothly, guys. Very easy. No problems at all. No stress. I didn't even need to comment or show any video. The processor is a real beast. It's running super smoothly, guys. You don't need to worry. The processor is really good. It's the fastest in the world. It's very fluid and it's not draining the battery. So, man, the software optimization they did for this device is really impressive. Kudos to iQOO. They did a great job and it's not over yet. Okay, this guy? It has IP68 and IP69 certification. Handling high-pressure water jets and submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. It won't get damaged, guys. A slim device, relatively slim, with the normal appearance of a regular high-end smartphone. It's a flagship, and man, with certification, that's really good. Now, I always say it's a very expensive device. Be careful. It's an extra layer of protection that the manufacturer gives us. All right? As for the operating system, we have Origin Operating System 6 running with Android 16 on the device. We also have near-field communication connection for making contactless payments, which works well, not only here in Spain, but also in Brazil. And in addition, there's also Android Auto. You can see in the image, everything is working. You won't have any kind of restriction to use this device in Brazil. Like I said at the beginning, everything is running 100% with no problems at all. Ultrasonic fingerprint unlock on the screen is really fast, man. And facial unlock too. Both of them work at lightning speed. And there are 4 versions available for this device. Here it starts with the most basic one, 16 GB of RAM with 256. There's also 16 with 512, 16 with 1 TB, and this one here, which is 24 GB with 1 TB. All of them have universal flash storage, 4.1 memory, and the expandable RAM feature. With this one here, you can reach up to 48 GB of RAM. That's why I put that in the title. I had seen it. It's impressive. It doesn't support memory expansion, but you probably won't need it, right? It supports 2 nano SIM cards and 5G, but as the Chinese version, it lacks a connection. And yes, let's go now to his audio and video test. Let's go, guys. Audio and video test with the iQOO 15 Ultra Advanced Quality 2160p. Let's turn the brightness up to the maximum, volume to the maximum as well, and let's rotate the screen here. Pinch to zoom and check out this image and this audio. The bass is hitting, man. Feel the bass hitting, guys. The audio and the image of this device. Really, once again, man, I was really impressed. It's a screen that shines a lot. It's like there's a sun. It's like looking straight at the sun, you know? The screen is super bright. It's 8,000 nits. It's something absurd. And its audio also impressed me a lot. It's very loud, very strong, with a lot of quality, without losing anything, without distortion. Really good audio too. And now let's start talking about cameras. On the front, we have a 32 megapixel camera recording at 4K 60 FPS. Let's check out some photos and videos now taken with its front camera. So here, guys, front camera of the iQOO 15 Ultra recording at 4K 60 FPS. The sun is coming out a bit for us here, so we rushed over to record, but there are still some clouds hiding up there. It passed by there. Now let's walk a bit so we can check the stabilization here. The ground is pretty uneven and it stabilizes really well, by the way. And now let's do a real test here to check the high dynamic range. You see the clouds, the sky. Now let's get into some shade. And then everything turned white. It doesn't have high dynamic range. I checked it before. Oh, but look, no, but then it gets lost. Now it catches here. Look, the sky shows up there, but like this. No, okay, it doesn't have it. I checked here before. In the settings and for video, the high dynamic range option to enable or disable doesn't show up. It could be that a future update brings this high dynamic range option here, because it's a camera that I think should have high dynamic range for video. Okay, but is it there for you guys? Really good stabilization, image quality, iQOO 15 Ultra. Look at that, awesome. Really good, guys. Front camera, awesome, okay? Not just the video recording, but also the audio capture for this video, and the photos with the front camera too. I really liked it. It's a shame though, the high dynamic range messed up a bit in the video part. But who knows, maybe a future update will improve this a bit, since it brings this high dynamic range specification for video to this device. Okay, I don't know, let's wait for the next updates, but I really liked it and thought the front camera quality was very good. Now let's talk about the rear part, which are three 50 megapixel cameras, a main one with optical image stabilization, a periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, also with stabilization, and a third ultra wide. All of this records at 8K 30 FPS. Let's take some photos and videos with the rear cameras, then we'll return to wrap up. And now guys, the rear camera of the iQOO 15 Ultra 8K 30 FPS maximum resolution. Mega by Denver Mega, additionally by Diego Mega. Let's stop here. Apply a zoom. See how far the 5x zoom goes. It's at 5x. I'll do a quick spin here for you guys. Very good image quality, and going back here to 1x. Let's see here. Focus now. Very fast too, and the stabilization is excellent. Very good. Let's switch now to 4K 60 FPS. I was gonna switch to 4K 60, but with super stabilization activated, it goes to 1080 60. It's not 4K, so we're here at 1080 60. Now yes, it seems like with a gimbal, it stabilizes a lot. Let's check the focus here. It's really fast, nice. And let's check the zoom too, which goes up to 5x. There it is. It gets a bit grainy, loses a bit of quality. We're in full high definition. Let's go back to 1x now, but the stabilization is really awesome. Really awesome, man. That's great. Rear camera, iQOO 15 Ultra, guys. Once again, top quality. Both the front camera and the stabilization, I really like the high dynamic range and stabilization too. The resolution of the images with the zoom applied is really good. The image, of course, gets distorted, but the artificial intelligence also corrects it. So the results of the images with the zoom applied turned out really good too. And now let's go to our final summary with the positive and negative points. In my opinion, positive points. Top-notch processor. The battery is the best I've ever seen in my life. 100 watt charging, 40 watt wireless charging, active matrix organic light emitting diode screen that's as bright as the sun, 1000 nits of brightness, really good stereo sound, and the cameras too. I really liked it. And the only downside of this device is the price, like I told you at the beginning of the video, okay? They went overboard, they really overdid it with the price of this device, bringing in competitors at similar price points. We have the Oppo Find X9 Pro, Vivo X300 Pro, Honor Matic 8 Pro. These are devices that cost about the same, including this one here. I think they could have lowered the price a bit, right? They would have gained a huge market. A lot of people would be running after this device to buy it because it's amazing. But at this price, I don't know if this guy's gonna sell that much in the market. But anyway, the device is top notch. It's incredible. That's without a doubt, but I want to know what your opinion is. The device is good, but not worth it. Would I buy it over the others I mentioned? Leave your comment. It's important before you go. Also, check if you're subscribed to the channel, see if you left your like, check the notification bell, and share this video with everyone too. All right, we're together, guys. Thank you all so much. God bless you. A big hug, and see you next time. Thanks, I'm out.